Hello guys, I will show you how to fix the 100% disk usage, which is a lot of users are facing during to Windows updates and so on, the last enhancement in the Windows. So before that, please subscribe to the channel in order to create more content. So just you need to know Windows, usually do Windows R, then you will type services dot msc, and then you will just search about sysmain, and you just uh, you need to go this one, yes, and you just need to disable it and then apply, and then you will need to go for Windows search. Where it, I guess Windows search, this one, and then you will need to go property, then just go disable it once again and apply, and then guys restart your computer. I hope it is solving your issue. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.